In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add and organize pages in Weebly. Let's get started. Sign into your Weebly account and open the website you want to edit. Click Edit Site to open the website editor. In the editor, click the Pages tab to view all the pages on your website. To add a new page, click the plus icon and choose the type of page you want to create, such as a standard page, blog page, or another available option. Enter a name for the page and adjust any settings you need, including the header type, visibility, or SEO settings. To organize your pages, simply drag and drop them into the order you want. You can also drag a page slightly to the right beneath another page to create a subpage and organize your navigation. Preview your website to make sure the navigation is arranged the way you want. When you're happy with the result, publish your website to make the changes live. That's how to add and organize pages in Weebly. Thanks for watching.